OpenAI just added a new agent dashboard to Codex CLI, and it changed how you work with multiple AI coding tasks inside the CLI. Instead of opening different terminals and trying to remember what each agent is doing, you can now see your Codex tasks in one place, jump between them, and even send a new instruction to a running task from another terminal. Let me show you how it works. First, make sure you have the latest version of Codex installed. Simply use this npm command, and after a couple of seconds, you can check the version number by using codex --version command. If you had previous version of Codex on your computer, you might experience an issue running Codex agent command. Don't worry, simply follow the instruction on the screen and it should help you resolve the problem. If the problem still persists, you might need to clear the bash cache and maybe reinstall the Codex again. In order to clean bash cache, you can use this command --R, then check the Codex version again, just in case, and if everything is okay, you will be able to run Codex agent command. This command opens the new agent dashboard. Don't worry about this message, it's about hook. Simply click escape. And here we go, this is our agents dashboard. Here I can see my Codex tasks and their current status. You can also open the same dashboard from inside the Codex using /agents command. From here, I can create new task and give Codex something to work on. For example, I ask Codex to create a single Python calculator CLI and add tests. At the same time, I can run another task with another agents from the same terminal. For example, I can say create a README for this project. And as you could see, now I have two running tasks and I can easily switch between them. Since I didn't turn on yellow mode, I have to confirm every steps, and red indicator in front of the task indicate that this task requires your action. If you want to see the details for that specific task, simply select it and hit the enter, and then you will go inside that specific task. As you could see, Codex is waiting your permission, hit the enter, and then you can go back. In order to go back to dashboard, you can use /agent command, and this command will take you back to the dashboard. So this way we can jump between the tasks. It is so easy to see what needs your attention. Sometimes you might need to rename the task. You can use Ctrl+R or Command+R command. Select the task and then rename it. As you could see, I renamed my task to README. I recommend you give it contextual and easy names, because then you can use these names, send the instruction from another terminal to the same task. For example, let me copy the name. Then I go to another terminal. I'm going to use Codex Q command. Then write --thread, write the name of my task, and then write additional instruction that I want to set to that specific task. And after that, hit the enter. If everything is okay, you will see this confirmation message. So your additional instruction is in the queue. And now if I go back to the dashboard and open that specific task, you will see my instruction from another terminal. Sometimes it's super useful. This might look like a small update, but I think it shows where Codex is going. We are moving away from one terminal, one AI agent, one task, towards multiple agents, multiple tasks, one place to manage everything. And the agent dashboard gives you visibility into that tasks. If you're already using Codex CLI, update to the latest version and try Codex dashboard agents. And if you want to more short tutorials about new Codex and AI development, please subscribe to my channel, click like, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Thank you. Bye.